Hello, I am Dr. Santosh Paripaty, representing Dental Implant Center. I am a dental implant surgeon and I practice in my clinic at Jayanagar, Bangalore. Today, I'm going to talk about dental implants. So, what are dental implants? A dental implant is a small titanium screw that serves as a replacement for the root portion of a missing tooth. Dental implants are designed to provide a foundation for replacement teeth that look, feel, and function like natural teeth. A person who has lost his teeth regains the ability to eat virtually anything and also can smile with confidence. Due to biocompatible properties of titanium, a dental implant fuses with the bone and becomes a good anchor for the replacement of missing tooth. Dental implants are changing the way people live. With implants, people are rediscovering the comfort and confidence to eat, speak, and enjoy life. So if you ask me what are the advantages of dental implants compared to a traditional denture or a fixed bridge, I would say number 1, improved appearance. Number 2, dental implant preserves your natural teeth, and the most important of all, number 3, it is a permanent solution. You see, when you lose a tooth, shrinkage of your jawbone will cause your face to look a bit older, and dental implants can stop this process. And with traditional dental bridges, teeth adjacent to the missing teeth are usually ground down, and dental implants eliminate the need to modify healthy teeth and protect your teeth. Dental implants are stable, comfortable, there is no adjustment that is needed after placement, and normally it will serve you for life. So, why should you consider a dental implant? To start with, when you lose your natural tooth, the jawbone will shrink. This shrinkage will make your face look older than it is. This is when we can consider a dental implant. A dental implant is stable, comfortable. Normally, it will serve you for your life. Anyone who is missing one or more teeth may be a candidate for dental implant. The determining factor is the amount of available bone